My name is Abe Zayden. I came to Specialized Physical Therapy because I had a labral tear in my shoulder. We started using it because we want to reactivate the muscles and make them recover a lot faster, which is exactly what it did. And I could say ever since we started using it, I've recovered at least 2 to 3 times faster than how much I would have recovered if we didn't use it. So the Neubie by far is the best and most amazing way to have a faster recovery towards, muscle-wise and, getting all your nerves working again, and it really just stimulates everything. It's incredible.
So Neubie was introduced to me a few months after my surgery when I was recovering as a way to help strengthen some of my muscles and tendons that were weakened from the surgery. It's been very, very helpful. I had the same surgery done on the right side about 4 years ago, and so comparing one to the other, it's really, really made this side go a lot faster, the Neubie. I would definitely recommend Neubie to other people that are looking to speed up their recovery, even if they haven't had surgery, to strengthen different weaknesses.
Deborah. 5 months ago, I had rotary cuff surgery. I had a full thickness tear in my shoulder, and my doctor had put me on a regimen of 3 times a week physical therapy. I had a total of 38 sessions, but I felt I had plateaued, and I felt I wasn't going to get any better. Relocated back to Jersey, came to see Dan here at Specialized Physical Therapy, and explained to him what was going on. And he said he had this new machine, and he said, I think it's gonna work for you. I said, okay, I'll try it. I have the comparison of the 38 sessions with the physical therapist out of state, and she was great. But now I have the Neubie as an addition to my protocol, and I know that it's helping my recovery. After the first session, I felt a difference. I've had a total of 6 sessions here in 2 weeks, and I see the difference already.
My name's Jackie, and I have been diagnosed with MS. I've been coming here since April. I come once a month, and Specialized physical therapists here are special because they are the only group in New Jersey who has beneficial and a highlight in my life. I come once a week, and it has really helped sustain my walking, my strength. It was exciting because I could actually feel a difference right then and there. I would recommend the Neubie technology in a setting which is a physical therapist.